Try and get that sunroof off today. I'll look at the drill here today. Got a box of bits here as well. Just to irritate Roger with when he comes back. We'll try and catch his reaction with that. I'm fucking acting with it now. No, we're not just acting like a pair of twats, we look like him as well. You're fucking getting the blame for this anyway.
Why?
Because you messaged me about that number plate. So I paid a lot of money. 700?
What are you fucking doing?
I ain't saying how much I paid. You think I'm a knob at 700, I definitely only up to the Escort Rs Turbo.
Yeah.
Or Rusty Escort. As it is fucking now, isn't it? And then that. Yes, we can take that wheel out, put this one in, then I'll get that wheel sent off. Mine's large, yours is extra large. You're joking.
Yeah, thank you. Good. Basically sleep.
Managed to get both sides now so they're loose. Totally loose. The handle will not come off. Mate, how we're going to take that handle off there. Took the screw out. Yay!
Ripple.
Oh, he is coming. Always use the most awkward tool for a job. If it's easy, you're doing it wrong.
Where that goes, mate, but that one there.
Christ, that corner there is bad.
You're alright, don't worry.
Real bad.
That's cool.
Okay, yeah. Don't contaminate. I'm worrying for our welder's sanity, mate.
You alright, man?
It's a fucking big old thing here. Oh, it's for if it's left-hand drive, isn't it?
Yeah.
There's a load of loom here that goes to that. Oh, I suppose it used to go to the door, didn't it?
Yeah, I took out the door, didn't I?
Yeah, busted. Ah, my head.
Yeah.
Where's your Magic Jubilee thing? Oh, I find it. Yes. Okay now. Pull it down. Oh, just like that. Rip all that fucking sound dead in the night in that corner, mate. It's all got to come out, isn't it? We'll wait until you...
I never have a refreshment. To me, that looks like a seat. Ah. Because the seat wasn't in it.
That is a seat bolt?
Yeah.
Fucking sad. Seriously, I've got to send you good in this car for fucking seats.
And a number plate.
Yeah,
This will be
right
done.
then, Roger lad. Let's talk engine.
Yes.
So, we're over £5 grand. That's what they want. Over 5.
Nothing wrong with it. Nothing wrong with the engine, but it's just.
Totally agree. Totally agree. I'm sure they do a fucking sterling job. And that's not what I'm not saying they're overpriced. I'm not saying, all I'm saying is, we ain't paying £5 grand. Simple as that.
It's
So,
something we can do ourselves.
yeah. So, Roger's agreed to take on the engine build as well. Something he's done already on the Sierra. But from the channel's point of view, it'd be good because we'll be able to get a lot of footage on how to build one's engine. Got to be solid lifters at it.
Yeah.
Newman cam, innit?
Well, I've tried Kent and Piper mine. They both work well, but I've got Newmans in the closet and they work fucking brilliant.
I've read a lot of good things about Newmans. Yeah.
Or polish it.
Yeah.
If you've got better flow. That's what I've always done in the past.
Yeah.
Valves going in that hat. You've got your valve spring, you've got your valve goes on top of the piston.
Yeah.
Also goes in at the head. You've got a valve guide there.
Yeah.
And it goes all the way through. And it comes through probably about 10 mil, 5 mil, 10 mil.
Long as it needs to be.
Needs to be. And that goes and that stops the flow.
Right.
So you cut that off, obviously machine it properly,
Yeah.
and then pull it and polish it,
Yeah.
better flow.
Fucking hell. And that's like that in the cottage.
I did it on my RS Turbo years ago. I did have done on that as well.
You had no problems, did you? No. Fucking prototype, boys! Forged pistons, obviously, that's a given, isn't it? So you're saying shaped pistons, yeah? Is that just so they accept the bigger valve, is it?
Cutouts at the top, pocketed pistons.
Yeah. H rods rather than solid rods.
Yeah.
Again, that gives you more revs, doesn't it? Because it's a lighter rod, is that
Yeah.
right? Because what I'm asking for is it to be reliable as fuck, so I can thrash fuck out of it and not worry about blowing the piston through the block. As simple as that, that's all I want.
If you put your, whatever gasket you buy, doesn't matter what gasket you buy, you put it onto there,
Yeah.
you've still got a good mil
Yeah.
left of the head.
Yeah.
You could machine away
Yeah.
to get a
I'm
better
gonna say,
airflow.
Yeah.
I did it on some rally cars, it's a piece of piss because the
Yeah.
manifold goes straight onto there, so you can marry it.
Yeah.
Obviously, you've got the intermediate piece.
Yeah.
If you want to do that, we've got plenty of time.
Yeah. Bit of fucking reaming on the 8 holes. Head tank. Going stainless. Because, as you said, higher pressure from the higher temperature can bust them, yeah.
As in what? You're going aluminium or going to go black?
Probably alum, I would say.
And an intercooler.
And intercooler,
Well, fucking hell. I'll be buried in that.
It's another cat, yeah, well, it's a fucking big hole.